Bitte nicht die Fahrbahn queren, Kolonne zurück.
Sorry.
Mean and sad.
What the fuck is going on right now?
Hate.
Holy shit. Holy shit. That's unbelievable.
I know what they're looking at, and here's me, trapped in this lobby. Their furrow my brow and blink. What exactly makes me think I'm trapped?
Talk about perfect execution of how you were to set up getting your leadoff guy on and then having a contact getting stuck in use the whole field. On a 3-1 pitch, you have confidence that LeMahieu is going to get a strike. And he does, and he bangs it off the garage doors in left and right.
What the fuck? Holy shit.
Patrz. No kurna. Teraz jak wyminiesz? Wyjdź do tego człowieka. Matko, zobacz.
Ale mu wyjechał.
Matko, co ten dziad stary, no. I tamten patrz go boli. Na migających światłach stoisz?
James, it's on by reverse mode.
ودي وي صرصت او ذات مديرة
For a bulk build after-hours doctor home visit and save the hospital emergency department for emergencies. Here for you. 136 National Home Doctor Service.
With Telstra Prepaid Plus, you can enjoy heaps of data-free extras with every recharge. Experience unlimited Wi-Fi data at over 900,000 hotspots across Australia with Telstra Air. Plus get 6 gigs when you recharge $40. All on Australia's fastest mobile.
Oh god. Oh fuck, oh god.
Oh! Holy shit.
You need to pull over.
Okay.
Yes, so that'd be delayed southbound 410 Williams Parkway down to Clark, then slow from Steeles down to the eastbound 401 ramp. Southbound 427 slow south to Dundas and the Express onto the Gardner ramp. Toronto bound QEW slow